Hello everyone, welcome back to another watercolor exploration. I hope you are all doing well. Today I would like to talk about the magic of white paper in watercolor. When people first start learning watercolor, they often focus on brush, colors, and technique. These things are important, but there is another tool that is just as important. It is something we all have before we even begin painting. That tool is the white paper. In watercolor, the white paper is not just a surface to paint on. It is actually part of the painting itself, unlike oil or acrylic painting. Watercolor artists usually do not paint white instead. We preserve the white paper and allow it to become the bright part of the artwork. This is one of the things that make watercolor unique and beautiful. The white paper help create light. When we look at a watercolor painting, the areas of untouched paper often become highlights. Reflection, snow, clouds, or sunlight. These bright areas attract the viewer attention and make the painting feel alive. Think about a snowy mountain scene. The sparkle of the snow often comes from the white paper. Think about sunlight reflecting on water. The bright reflection are usually areas where the paper has been left untouched. Without these white areas, a painting can sometimes look flat or dull. The white paper also teaches the importance of planning ahead. In watercolor, once we cover an area with dark paint, it can be difficult to return it to pure white. Because of this, we must think carefully before we start painting. We need to ask ourselves question, where is the light coming from? Which areas should remain bright? Which highlights are most important? This process helps us become better observers and better decision maker. Another lesson that white paper teaches is self-control. Beginners feel the need to paint every part of the paper. They want to fill every space with color and detail. I understand this feeling because most of us have experienced it at same point. But watercolor often teaches the opposite lesson. Sometimes the best thing we can do is leave an area alone. Sometimes less paint create a stronger result. Learning when to stop is one of the most valuable skills a watercolor artist can develop. White paper also help create a sense of freshness and transparency. One reason watercolor painting have such a beautiful glow is because light passes through the transparent layers of paint and reflect from the white paper. This creates a brightness that is difficult to achieve in many other painting medium. The paper itself becomes part of the light within painting. That is why experienced watercolor artists often say that they are painting around the light rather than painting the light itself. Nature gives us many opportunities to observe this effect. When we travel or spend time outdoor, we can see bright sunlight on mountains, reflection on river, morning mist, and glowing clouds. These moments remind us how important light is in both nature and art. As watercolor artists, we try to capture this beautiful effect by carefully preserving the white paper. White paper can also help to create balance in a composition. Not every area needs strong colors or detailed brushwork. Sometimes a simple untouched area gives the viewer eye place to rest. This balance can make a painting feel more peaceful. In many ways, the white paper is just as important as the painted areas. Another important lesson comes from our mistakes. Many of us have accidentally painted over a highlighted that we wanted to keep. At first, this can be frustrating, but this moment teaches valuable lesson about observation, patience, and planning. Every mistake helps us improve our understanding of watercolor. Over time, we become more aware of where the important light areas should be. The magic of white paper is not only an artistic lesson, it can also be a life lesson. Just as a painting needs areas of light and space, our lives need space as well. We do not have to fill every moment with activity. We do not have to control every detail. Sometimes the empty space are what makes everything else more meaningful. In watercolor, the white paper gives breathing room to the painting. In life, quiet moments give breathing room to us. As artists, it is easy to focus on adding more colors, more detail, and more technique. But sometimes growth comes from learning what to leave untouched. The white paper reminds us that simplicity can be powerful. It reminds us that light is important, and it reminds us that beauty often comes from what we choose not to paint. So the next time you begin a watercolor painting, take a moment to appreciate the white paper before you make your first brushstroke. Think about how you can preserve the light. Think about where you can allow the paper to shine. You may discover that one of the great secrets of watercolor has been there all along, waiting under your paint. Thank you for listening. If you have any question or would like to share your own experience with preserving white paper in watercolor, please feel free to leave a comment.